I'm Pooja Alangom, currently serving as Director Tourism, Government of Manipur. So the Shiroi Lily Festival is a calendar event for the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur. And it's a really important event because it highlights the unique features of Ukhrul, its beautiful landscapes and its culture and traditions. So we'll be showcasing that in different ways. We'll be having the main important opening ceremony in the Shiroi village itself, and it is also commemorating its 75th year of the Shiroi lily being recognized in the Chelsea Flower Show in the UK. So that's a really important event. So to mark that, we'll be having a photo exhibition which will be narrating the stories of the people and the history of Ukhrul. So that will be one aspect of it. The other part will be the opening ceremony, which is going to be held in the Shiroi village. So this will be a very grand opening ceremony because we are back after 2 years hiatus, and so this will be marked with cooking activities. Will be marked with cultural activities, dances, songs, traditions. So all these, and also this year we'll be having a drone show and fireworks. So these will many activities to attract tourists and visitors from all parts of Manipur, as well as domestic tourists and international tourists. So we are trying as much as possible to restart the tourism progress and development in Manipur. So we are hoping that the Shiroi Lily Festival will bring enough buzz, will generate enough publicity, and people will talk about it, and it will boost the tourism sector in Manipur, and it will be really helpful for the state of Manipur because tourism can act as a very potential economic horsepower for the rest of Manipur. So it can help in employment and generating employment. It can help in showcasing the beauty and the culture of Manipur. So another really interesting aspect of the Shiroi festival is the main impact is also the She-Rock, so which is a music festival. So we'll be calling bands from international bands, national bands, as well as local bands. So and we'll be giving them a platform to perform, and it will obviously bring. And music is something which connects all of us. It will be a bridge between generations, between communities, and we hope that music will bring us all together to enjoy, to celebrate, and to begin healing from what our state has been going through. So we hope that the music will act as the bridge. Another aspect is adventure. So at Phangrai and at Shiroi Peak, so there will be trekking, there will be adventure activities such as dirt biking, camping, tenting. So all these activities will also be taken out because we are targeting more adventurous kind of tourists, the more adventurous kind of youth who will want to participate in these kind of activities. So we hope that there will be something for everyone in the Shiroi Lily Festival.